Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here present honorable chief guest, respectable chairperson and honorable teachers and dear audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to shukriya of Allah. He has given us ability to arrange this mahfil. Dear audience, you know that we arrange mahfil every year. Now I would like to say something about this madrasa. Our madrasa is a modern Qawmi madrasa. Here we read Quran, Hadith, Bangla, English, mathematics and science, etc. It is necessary to speak Arabic, Urdu, English here. Our honorable director is very conscious about our future. So he always try to encourage for become alim, writer, engineer, minister, president, representative, etc. Dear audience, you might have heard the name of this noble person. Maulana Taqi Usmani was former judge of Supreme Court of Pakistan and Maulana Siddiqullah Chaudhary was former member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly and Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who is the current president of Turkey, and Mufti Amini, Mufti Waqqas and Mufti Abdul Malik of this country. They came from Qawmi Madrasa. Now they are honored by whole world. You will be happy to hear that we have two madrasa students, one studying in Brunei University and one in Turkey University. We also dream to be like them, so you pray for us and give in your valuable suggestion. It can affect or go ahead our own. Anyway, I don't like to call my session. That's all for the moment. Jazakallah to all of you for listening my speech with patience. Thank you so much. Have a lovely night. Allah Hafiz.